Here's the exterior of the little building. Hope you can hear me. There is traffic here. And it's the sweetest little building. It was moved on this spot in my town sometime in the 1950s. So it was moved from somewhere else. It's quite a long little building, but it's adorable. Figured I'd walk around it so I could show you. The inside is getting totally renovated, and that's pretty exciting because that was something that we wanted to do, my husband and myself. And look how cute this building is. So the guys have torn off a lot of the shingles that were already falling off, and we actually moved the building. If I can insert the video I took of the building being moved over onto a slab. Well, actually it's not a slab, it's a basement, full basement, but that was pretty exciting. The windows on it are really horrible. But it's a cute little building. I don't know if you can hear the pounding going on inside, but yeah. All right, let's see if I have to watch my step. Let's see if I can get over there. You can see this is the side that faces where you come in, where you drive in, I should say. There's a loading dock there and a door. But what I'm really excited about is the other side. So take a look at this and you'll see changes to this side. Those windows are going, thank goodness. You can see some of the stuff already torn out. So I want to show you the interior now. Well, I thought I would show you a little hiccup, the weather. But she's pretty in the snow. Pretty in the snow. The little shop building. Let me walk around here. Can you hear the traffic? She's got roads on 3 sides of her. So pretty. All right, let's check out the progress on the inside. So here I'm showing you the upstairs. What used to be the attic, it's hard to get a perspective, and for safety reasons I can only stand in one spot, but I'm trying to get the peak so you can see. It's getting some insulation. I can't move too much because I will fall down through the ceiling. Here's the other side. So you can kind of get the idea maybe of the space up here. Now, this space with all the tools and whatnot is staying, but this space that's getting insulated, the floor is coming out. So I'll try to show you more on the side of me. And you can see where I'm standing here. I'm trying not to make you sick. And then how I got up here were these stairs. All right, so now I'm going to go down the stairs very carefully because there's no handrail. But let me go downstairs and show you what's downstairs. Be careful, Val. Okay. Still hanging on a little bit, but there's no real place to hang on. All right, made it. So let me show you, and I think I got my finger in the frame, but anyway, let me show you. This was like a little storage area, a little room, and probably about the size of a tiny bedroom. And that's all coming out. It's all been stripped down pretty much. And then this was a tiny storage area that got stripped down. So we're downstairs underneath there. The floor is up there. The floor is coming out. And then there's space over here. And this door is not going to be in here. And I want to show you the wall that had wooden shelves on it originally. But it is gorgeous. It is old linoleum. And it is so pretty. So I wanted to save that. Needs a good cleaning. Let me get a close-up of it. Hope you can see it okay. So pretty. And we have air conditioning because there's no insulation or outside boards, so you can see right outside. The windows will be coming out. I have to watch where I step. And so the space does continue. Sorry about my finger. Space does continue over on that side, but that's not going to be part of the space. So I'm not going to show that part because it's being used by a company. But you can see that's quite a big area. So what's it going to be? I cannot wait to show you. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour of under construction. Okay, that was it. All right, just walk through the door. You can see a wall going up. Here's a lot of progress. Let's see what's happening. I can walk through part of this wall. Look at that. Look at that. Gotta be careful where I walk because there's all kinds of construction stuff around here. But look, got the place for the door in, framed out. The little vestibule. This is gonna be my door to my shop. And the second shop, there's the door. And I don't think you can really see that well, but it's a nice office. But this is so cool. Look, way up high, lots and lots of progress. Wow, look at that. They got the high wall way up there too. Oh, this is so exciting. I'm excited. All right, progress report over. Update. Here's the front window to the shop. Made out of old windows melded together. It's got some old glass in it. That's a nice big window. I'm excited about that one. Can't wait to see what it looks like on the front of the shop. Have to update when it goes in. All right, hope you enjoyed this.